Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
여기 사송 장천일 시 별장 위에 계곡에 지금 들어와 있는데, 옛날 경작지가 이렇게 많이 있었고, 경작지 흔적이 많이 있고, 중간중간 연결 도로 비슷한 부분들이 있는데, 지금은 무성하게 지금 풀이 나가지고 굉장히 지금 거칩니다. 이 사이 난 길을 따라서 가고 있는데, 지금 사송 사배고개 밑에 지금 계곡까지 나왔습니다. 금정산 사배고개 횡단길 오다가 사송 모뚝으로 내려가는 이정표를 보고 내려오다가 지금 방향을 바꾸어 가지고 도로 사배고개 쪽 계곡 쪽으로 지금 방향을 꺾어 가지고 지금 나오는 길이거든요. 나오는 길입니다. 사람들이 다니는 흔적이 없어 가지고 풀밭에 기른 일이 있지만 그냥 버려진 땅 같고, 저 대나무 숲 속에 지금 장천이시 묘가 저기 지금 마련되어 있고 이렇네.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.